Hey everyone, it's me, Coach Z, and in this channel, I share Upwork tips, virtual assistant tutorials, and everything freelancing. So if this sounds so good to you, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop an episode. So in today's video, I will share with you some video editing tips using Wondershare Filmora 11. And this is more of a tutorial, a quick tutorial, and this is not an in-depth one, but I just really want to share with you how beautiful Filmora is as a video editing app for beginners and for maybe up to mid-level video editors. Right. So, as some of you would know, I am a YouTube content strategist, and part of what I do is to edit videos for my clients. But I only do light video editing and nothing heavy. So, all right, let's dive in. I have 5 features, like favorite features in Filmora that I want to share with you. And you may, it might interest you to use the same features or to try Filmora soon. So first things first is the text pop-ups. So I already have in here the things that I did already so that, you don't have to go through each of the stage. But anyway, for the text, you can click on the titles in here above, and then you can actually use any of the templates provided by Filmora, which is so fun because you have a lot of options to choose from. And just edit the text and you're good to go. This is one thing that I love about Filmora. But anyway, what I usually do, and because I do minimalist or light video editing, what I usually use is the title 6 text for my clients' videos and even in my own YouTube videos. So for you to use this text, you just have to drag it above the media file. So which is this one already. So let me delete this one. So this is already the text. All right. So you need to put it above the media file so that it will be above the video. So if you put it under the media file, then it won't show up. So what I usually do is drag the title 6 in here and then double click and then press on advanced. And then here you go, you can actually customize, all right? You can customize the color of the text. So if you have brand colors, then you can use that one. So let me check this one. So let's say this one. This is my brand color. So you can do that, or you can change your colors in color field and click on the color and then more, and then your brand colors. I already have the custom colors in here so that every time I edit, I can just click it and I'm good to go. So you can also type in here the hex code if you want to use your own brand colors, and then just add them to custom colors and then click OK. So there you go. But you can also have the option to have an outline of the text. So press this one, and then let's say for this one. So let me see, black or white to emphasize and to make it more readable. So it's very important to make all the text pop-ups readable, right? So there you go. And then if you want to create another text, you just have to click this, the text, and then add text box, and then it will copy the one that you pressed, and then you can then edit your text in here. So edit here. So edit here. There you go. And so once that's done, then you can just put it anywhere you want. So let's say this one, you want to put it here or anywhere in the video. So my style is usually to let the text pop in one place. So this, like this one. So that's why it's when you check this one, it's all overlaid on top of each other. So that it will go like this. So you just have to do timing when it comes to text pop-ups, right? So there you go. And then the other feature that I so love, so other is transitions. Yeah. So for transitions, let's say in between media files, you want to create a transition. Let's say you are about to tell the tips or another key point in your video, then you can do transition. So like this one, there. And it's so good because this transition is readily available. So you just have to go to transitions and then choose among these amazing transitions available. So you can, you know, there you will see a preview of how it will look like if you use this kind of transition. So yeah, so I chose this one because it's the color is a bit uh near my brand color. But anyway, what you need to do is to just drag. So let me remove this one. Drag this one in between two media files, or maybe you can actually choose to have it before the next clip or after the previous clip. So if you want to adjust how long the transition will go, you can just long press and then move it closer. So let's see. There you go. I think that's a good timing. There you go. So you can always adjust this one, and you can also choose to put it before the next video or after the previous clip. There you go. So it's all about timing again and how you want it to look like. So there you go. That's the second feature that I'd like to share with you. The next one would be the pan and zoom. So for still videos like this, mine, wherein I don't change places whenever I create videos, it's so important to also make it more engaging in a way wherein you move the video and make it more entertaining in a way, or just to not bore your viewers. So this is what it looks like. Wait, see. Take a look. So as you've seen, I am slowly zooming in. You can do this by clicking the media and then right click and then crop and zoom, right? So then go to pan and zoom and then adjust where the zooming in ends. All right. So you can do this, you can do this. So you can play it so you would know how it looked like. There you go. Or if you want it in the middle, then you can do it as well. So it really depends. So just click OK and then you're good to go. And that already happens, this one. So there you go. So that's the other feature that I so love and I always use with my clients' videos, because most of them are also still videos wherein, we need to have some movement going on. So the next feature, I think we are in the third feature or fourth feature, I'm not sure. But yeah, the next favorite feature that I love is the keyframe. Okay. So keyframe is almost the same with pan and zoom, but the difference is that you have more control in terms of its speed or in terms of its length. So let me show you like this one. So you can have that faster zooming in. or you can also move it to the left or right, like that. So let me show you how I did that. So to do this, you have to click on the end of the part of the clip that you want to add keyframe on. All right. So for example, this one, I want to have it zoomed in a bit faster. So click on this clip, the end of the clip, and then click on this diamond icon in here, two diamonds keyframing. And then once the green circle appears, just move it a bit. And then let's say 120. Here you go. So what will happen is, there you go. Did you see how fast that zoom in is? There. And you can also adjust how fast or how slow the zooming in will be. So let's try this one. There you go. So if you want to emphasize something, you can surely use keyframing, as you have, yeah, a bit more control in terms of the speed and in terms of the length and all those stuff. So that's one thing. And if you want to move it to the left or to the right, still put it in the clip, above the clip, the line, and then click again the keyframing. And then once the green circle is there, move again a bit. And then the video itself in here, move it to the maybe to the left, right there. So this is how it will look like there. But that's a bit fast. So let's try to adjust the speed there. So if you want to emphasize something or want to put the text beside the one who's talking, there you can do this and add a text somewhere in this area. So that's keyframing. And so the next thing, the next favorite feature in Filmora is the motion tracking. So like this one there. So as you've seen, the photo is also like thrown in the garbage, right? And then boom. So how to do that? Now here's how to do that. This is my most favorite feature. Let me delete this one first. So, okay. So first thing that you will do to do the motion tracking is to find for something that you want to be tracked. All right. So for example, the one that I did is a garbage. You can find this in stock media actually. So for a while. Now I can't find that one. All right, this one. So you have to drag it above the clip where you want it to put. So just adjust the size. There you go. And then click the video clip or the sticker or the GIF. And then click on motion tracking here. And then you will see this box with a plus sign. So you have to put it above the thing that you want to be tracked and then click OK. Then the next thing that you will do is to, let's say, if you want to add an image that will be thrown, and so put it above the sticker or the GIF or the video, then adjust, of course. All right, there you go. And then you put it above the here, right? Above the trash. So after which you need to go back to this clip or the GIF or the sticker, click that one, and then click again motion tracking and then start tracking. Okay, good. And then click this drop down in here and then choose the name of the image or the text if you're putting in a text. But for me, this is an image, so click that one. And then let's see what happens. There, right? And then you just need to adjust the image. So there you go. Let's try again. There. So that's already good to go, right? Or maybe we can still adjust that one, but I don't want to keep you waiting until I perfect this. There. All right. Okay. So again, there. So that's what's amazing about this motion tracking because you can animate some stuff in your video and which is so fun. So you can do a lot of things in here. You can also track the hand gesture of the person in the video that wherein the text will follow where the hand goes. Right. So that's another thing. So anyway, those are the five um, favorite features that I have for you today using Wondershare Filmora 11. So if you are interested or maybe you want to try this video editing software, then you can check the link in the description. So there you go. I hope you found value in this video and you enjoy this, and let me know if you want to have more video editing tutorials like this one. So there you go. Until my next episode. See ya.